Tuesday, April 29th, 5:10 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. We're almost at the end of the month. That'll be ending the first month of the second quarter of the year. And then next month, in May, we have the Federal Reserve that meets to vote on interest rates. So again, the middle of this week, which is Wednesday, happy hump day on that day. Middle of the week, last week of the month, last trading day of the month. There's a lot of things lining up. Going to look at the Euro US dollar currency. I've been bearish bias, been share you so many times. Bearish bias dollar, bullish the euro. You can trade these financial instruments on different financial exchanges. You can trade them in the futures market, stock market, the Forex market, the options market. Here's a 20-year chart of history. Each candle is a month of the euro. Look at the far right. New high for the year. Big body broke above these prior year's highs. Yep. Again, big difference. Here's the low of the year. Small trading ranges. Inside candle. A huge impulse moves up. We haven't seen that for a long time. Well, the weekly chart. We had a consolidation down here at the beginning of the year. Then we trended up strong. Currently for the week, inside candle, we haven't taken out the higher low of that red candle. That red candle, big wick on the top. I'm looking for a retest in that midpoint. And then that's going to help determine, for me, a trade signal in one direction or the other. Also, a huge impulse move up here. We have not done a retest, so I'm expecting a retest of this body more. If I'm bullish, if it does a retest on here, I'm looking for the move to come down on weakness and a reversal off of it. So again, impulse move up on this big green candle. Consolidation phase. This may be distribution, little tiny bodies. Look at those yellow candles, that red candle, little tiny bodies. It's referred to churching, distribution. I'm not saying I'm bearish distribution. I'm looking for a pullback. If it comes back on weakness, be buying. But again, I would not want to be buying here for the swing trade. Daily chart. I was hoping today we would have taken out the high of yesterday. We had a nice green candle yesterday. Break up, green above those two candles. Nope. Today closed inside candle. It closed red. So the candle itself is a yellow candle, but it closed solid, equivalent to a red. So the candle itself is bearish. It also closed deeply inside that green candle. So big consolidation here, building energy for one way or the other breakout. Four-hour chart. Look at the left here. Huge consolidation. Reverse V, huge consolidation. So again, building a lot of energy. And I was hoping again, we were going to have you move up. This big green zone has been acting in demand zone being buyers. So this big green candle here, some more. This big green candle here in the 4-hour chart, I was hoping we were going to go up to that 146, that high of yesterday. I had a bullish trade here on the futures. It didn't work out, so I took a loss. I wasn't going to stay in it any longer. I'm glad I got out because look at these reversals. But again, my target price was up here, and I was going to actually get out a little bit before I went there. It just didn't. It broke above that inside candle there, went up a little bit higher, had nice gains, didn't close it, because I still wanted to go up there and it went against me. So we have a consolidation here after this big impulse move up. We may see an impulse. Sorry, we may see a retest down here now, because all this is occurring is looking currently like what? To me, it's looking like garbage. It's looking more bearish here. Yeah, things could flake out and go against me. Again, we'll see what happens on these retests. They come down here this week. The 1 hour chart. Yeah, all this was consolidation here from the last week. Big move up. And then Monday nights after futures, look at that. Not a lot of confidence here, a lot of here. Show you something else here. Zoom in. This big green candle impulse move up earlier today. I was considering taking a bullish trade if we did a retest down here on weakness. We never came down here, so didn't stay no longer. Yep. A 4 hour, a 15-minute chart. This green area was the Asian session. This purple area was the London session. Lower highs, lower lows, into the 8 o'clock hour, 8:30 hour. The economic news, huge move up. And then a lot of chopping here. And this was the sweet spot right down here. I drew it out, waited all the way up to here, and left. And then it came down. Obviously, when I come back home, see this. Yeah, that would have been nice for me getting that day trade there. Nice. Didn't happen because I wasn't here. Let's take it to the other time frame. So first, again, a 15-minute chart. See this area? And this retest, see it on the 5-minute. So this is a 5-minute chart. Again, that 8 o'clock big move up, or a little bit after 8 o'clock, around 8:30, big move up. Look at that retest. Look at that. It came here just shy of 11 and reversed to go back up, test these highs. It's loaded the drawing for the 15-minute. Yep, same thing right there. Nice. Didn't do me any good. I wasn't here for it. Show you the other thing here. Big green impulse move candle up. Probably zoom in again. Big green candle right here. Big impulse move up. Looking for that retest, reversal. It didn't come back deep enough in here. So I never took these trades here, which would have been nice because the long was nice. But again, I was looking for a deeper pullback and a better reversal. It didn't occur. Nope. Just kept on rocking the ship up. So I missed this one. This big green candle occurred. Nice retracement right here. Buyer stepped in. And then we had that nice move up here. Would have been the nice signal to take a trade on the break of fair. Because again, you had that big impulse move up. Used a lot of energy. Wait for that pullback. Lower low, lower high, and wait for that reversal. It was right there. Could have taken it long and managed it on the faster time frame, the 1 minute. This is the 5-minute. Nice. Let's put it on the 1 minute. Here we are on the 1 minute. I'll show you something here. The far left, 6:45 and 11:30 on the far right. Consolidation, pullback, huge run up, consolidation, distribution, smart money selling, dump, went up to retest, huge pump up. You can see the huge volume here on the futures contracts. Huge. So you could see this huge volume, but didn't close up there. Nope. Again, more likely what? People that bought down here, closed up here, and the weekends bought and a dive. Mm-hmm. Also, you can see here, I'm going to load up the drawings from the 15-minute. So these drawings are from the 15-minute. Remember I mentioned the breakout here and the retracement around the 10:45, 11 time. That's what happened right here. But it went back down. Again, I'll show you here on the 15-minute. So here's on the 15-minute, right here between this 10:30, 11 o'clock. That was the opportunity to get in the reversal. Wasn't present. On the 1 minute, you can see how it went. Huge consolidation, a lot of chop, higher volume. See the above average volume there? A lot. And then obviously when it reversed, started to go green, a lot of buyers stepped in. Nice opportunities. So that being said, the futures were open about another 40 minutes. That inside candle, this consolidation, it's over several days. Oops. Take it to the 4-hour. See here, the 4-hour, huge consolidation. And key levels down here. So more focus on this 4-hour candle to see if we're going to have any more retests on here. On the downside, the impulse move up. On the 1-hour chart, also have an impulse move down here. And a key level down here. Just some areas, maybe have that opportunity if it occurs this evening or tomorrow. Thank you as always, spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.